it's me, Andrea. Welcome to my hair tutorials. For today's Venice twisted low bun look, I'm going to show you how to do it fast and so it lasts, even when you're riding a boat through the canals. Is there any singing or no? No singing.
Oh, no singing.
I start this hairstyle by creating a twist. I grab a section of hair from my part to my ear, about an inch in width. I twist my hair in an upward motion. Let's twist again, like we did last summer in Venice, yeah, or something. Secure with a bobby pin, and then pin it at the back of my head to keep it out of the way. I repeat on the other side. Now this is a polished look, so I'm also using a brush to smooth out any rogue hair before I do the twist. After, I grab the other piece and secure them together with a small rubber band. Then I am going to repeat, but without a twist. It's a twist on the plot. Oh! I grab a section of hair to about the middle of my ear from both sides and secure with another small rubber band. Even if you want, there's no need to do a twist or get crazy with this because it's all going to be hidden by the bun. This step is to really make sure your hair stays in place and to prevent any front layers getting all crazy or pazzi in Italian. After that, it is time to do the low bun. Grab the rest of your hair into a ponytail and secure with a hair tie, or two if you're me. And then I twist again. Twist all the hair and then wrap around the hair tie to make the bun. I secure that bun with two small rubber bands because they're less noticeable and less likely to distort the bun than the bigger hair ties. If you have long hair like me, you may find that your bun tries to escape from your head, which I try not to take personally, you know?
Yeah.
To fix that, I very carefully pull out the bun so that it'll cover my other rubber bands, and then I use bobby pins to pin my bun to my head, whether it likes it or not. I use a specific technique for pinning a bun. I start with a pin parallel with the floor, put it into the bun, then I pin it to my head. Think of it as an L shape, but upside down. You get what I'm trying to say, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. After that, spray with my trusty heavy-duty Pravana Nevo hairspray. So you can take boats along the canals and your hair will not move an inch, yeah. The reason why I love this hairstyle for Venice is that Venice can be really hot and sticky in the summer and kind of smelly. So this hairstyle keeps your hair dry, off your neck, and looking incredibly sleek. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, hit that thumbs up. New videos come up every Thursday. If you're not getting a notification, make sure you hit that bell next to subscribe because then you'll never miss a video. There's always new ones coming up. Ah!